Hello everyone, it's me again. Today, I bring you an airdrop opportunity that I believe you shouldn't miss, especially for those interested in the Web3 field and the data solutions this project offers, which is CESS. Welcome back to the Airdrop Go channel, the go-to source for in-depth information on the most outstanding airdrop projects. What impresses me about CESS is how they seamlessly integrate data infrastructure with AI computing. They do not merely provide storage solutions, but also create a comprehensive ecosystem for the decentralized development of AI. Notably, the project aims to deliver an optimal Web3 solution for high-frequency dynamic data storage and retrieval, serving both Web2 and Web3 enterprises. Additionally, the project has secured funding of up to $8 million from major investment funds such as DWF Labs, Web3 Foundation, IVC, and many other investment funds. More importantly, to kick off this airdrop, the project has confirmed it is conducting an airdrop program that is already underway. So why wait? Let's get started on this project. By participating in this airdrop, you have the chance to earn points, which can later be exchanged for the project's tokens, a worthwhile endeavor for all of us. First, you need to visit the CESS airdrop page. I will provide the link in the video description and pinned comment for your convenience. Once on the website, select the check-in option to log in. There are two methods for you to log into your account. One is to use your email, and the other is to utilize your X account. I find it more convenient for you to register using your email. Don't forget to check this box. Afterwards, the website will redirect you to the login register interface. Enter your email address in the email address field. Next, click the Send Code button. The system will send a 6-digit code to your email. Open your email, retrieve the code, and enter it into the Enter 6-digit code field. Finally, click Next to continue. Next, at this step, you will complete tasks to earn points. After successfully logging in, you will see a list of tasks here. There are many simple tasks you can complete right away. Daily check-in. Every day, if you check in, you will receive 10 points. Just click the blue check-in button to complete this task. Follow X. For this task, you will earn 30 points. Click Follow, then choose Bind to Link. Followed by Authorize App to allow the app to access your X account. Once linked, simply follow the CESS Twitter page to finish the task. Daily Retweet. For the daily retweet task, you will receive 10 points. Click the retweet button and then retweet the post requested by the system. Join Telegram. By joining the project's Telegram channel, you will receive 20 points. Click the Join button and the system will redirect you to the Telegram channel. Just join the channel to complete this task. Join Discord. Joining the project's Discord server will also earn you 20 points. Click the Join button, the system will open Discord, and you will accept invite to join the server. After entering the Discord server, there may be a few more steps such as accepting the server's rules. Just follow the instructions provided. Change Profile. By changing your profile picture, you will earn 20 points. Click the Change button. Select Change Profile by Share and upload your image. Quiz Challenge. This is the high point task where answering all questions correctly will earn you 100 points. Click Start to begin the quiz. You can read the information provided here for the answers, or simply use ChatGPT or Gemini to obtain the answers to complete it. Once you've finished answering, select Submit to complete the task. Here I got one question wrong, so I only earned 90 points. Upload files. Upload files to the DShare platform. For every 30 megabyte file you upload, you will earn 10 points. Click Upload, select a file from your computer and upload it. Note that the file should not exceed 100 megabytes. You should aim to complete all tasks to maximize the points you can earn. Some tasks can be completed daily, so make sure to take advantage of them to accumulate points continuously. On the airdrop page, you can view the total points you have earned in the My Points section. Additionally, you can explore other tabs. Ranking. View your ranking compared to other airdrop participants. Wallet. Currently, the wallet is empty, but it's likely that tokens will be credited here after the airdrop concludes. Records. Check your task completion history and points earned. Profile. View your account profile information. In the task section of the project, the Invite Friends function will allow users to utilize this link to invite as many individuals as possible to join the project. For each additional participant brought in, users will earn an extra 100 points. The more participants invited, the more points and tokens users will accumulate during the project's TGE. So I've finished guiding you all on how to participate in the CESS project. CESS not only has a clear objective, but also a strategic vision for the future of data and AI. I believe this is a potential airdrop opportunity, and I think you shouldn't miss out on it. Take advantage of your time to participate in the airdrop and earn as many points as possible. Don't hesitate any longer. Take the time to learn more about CESS today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on Airdrop Go channel so you won't miss any juicy airdrop opportunities. Also, for those who want to get hands-on experience in the Forex and crypto markets, remember to register for an account on the reputable exchanges I've linked in the description. Wishing you success in your airdrop hunting. If you have any questions about CESS, feel free to comment below.